Right, we're looking at straight line graphs here, and I've got a couple of equations and I've got tables to fill in, and ultimately they'll create coordinates. So first of all, here's our equation of a line. So it's y equals 6x minus 5. So what that means is the y coordinate is 6 times x, 6 times the x coordinate, take away, subtract 5. So all I need to do to every x coordinate is times it by 6 and then subtract 5. Okay, so the easiest one to do that with is 0. So I'm going to do 0 times 6, which is 0, take away 5, which is negative 5. Alright, now a little tip for you is do the positive values of x first. So do these ones first. So this one here, well that's a 0, and then that one, then that one, then that one. And I reckon you'll spot a pattern. And if you don't spot a pattern, you've probably gone wrong. So here we go. Next one to do is 6 times 1, which is 6, subtract 5, which is 1. 6 times 2 is 12, subtract 5, which is 7. Now hopefully you're noticing that they're going up in sixes, which means, so going up in sixes this way, so that's plus 6 each time. When that goes up by 1, the x coordinate goes up by 1, we're adding 6. So as we go that way, we're going to be subtracting 6. So if I subtract 6, we should get negative 11 and negative 17. Let's just check. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Take away 5, negative 11. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. Subtract 5 is negative 17. There you go. And when you plot those coordinates, they should all be in a line. Now we've got another type of graph here, right, which is basically all the letters are on one side and numbers on the other. So all that means is the x coordinate and the y coordinate and y coordinate add or sum to 7. Alright, so again I'm going to start here. Alright, it's the easiest one. 0 plus something makes 7. 7. And then I'm going to work my way up through the positives. So 1 plus something makes 7. 2 plus something makes 7. Ooh, am I spotting a pattern? Or 3 plus 4 makes 7. And the reason I leave the negatives to the end is because people can get a bit confused with negative signs. But there you go. Pretty straightforward. All the equation is doing is describing the relationship between the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Again, once you've plotted these, right, if they're not in a line, you've made a mistake. You need to go back and check.